Hi! Today, I'll be showing you how to use your dining and coffee benefits using the Echo app. Once you have opened the app, select the Dining and Coffee tab and scroll through the nearby restaurants on the next page, or alternatively, type in the name of your preferred restaurant using the convenient search bar at the top. After you've selected a restaurant, you're guided to their respective page indicating the benefits available for use at the establishment, their address and contact number, as well as their distance from your current location, for your convenience. Tap the Request Cashback Discount button. Pick a date and time that you'll be dining at the restaurant and press the Confirm button. A pop-up message then appears to confirm authorization of the cashback request. Select Confirm. Another pop-up message will now appear, indicating that your cashback voucher has been approved, as well as the instructions with which to gain your cashback reward, outlined in this video. Select OK. Now, once you've enjoyed your dining experience, navigate back to the home screen of the Echo app with your receipt, and select My Cashback Rewards, followed by the Dining and Coffee tab and select the voucher you requested. Tap the Upload Receipt button followed by the preferred upload method. In this example, we'll upload from our photo library. Once successfully uploaded, select the Submit Receipt button. Congratulations, your benefit request has been submitted, and you should receive your cashback reward within the next 5 to 7 working days.